Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit right here on Deriv. And if you want to take profit, we have two ways how to take profit. And that is the first way with the MetaTrader 5 and the second way just with the Deriv Trader. So I will show you both. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to Trade, Demo, and then we select right here CFD Standard. And then we select Trade and then we go right here to the Web Trader Terminal. Then we are having Apple right here. Now let's search for Bitcoin. There we go. And then we go to new order where we fill in right here how much we want to create a position. Now this is fine. And then we can click right here on take profit. And then we can drag it to where we want it. Or we can fill in right here just when Bitcoin hits 70K. I want to close our position. Then we do buy by market. The order is filled. And if we scroll down, let's give this one a look. Okay. And if we scroll down, where can I find it? There we find it. And then you will see that we are having an order with a take profit at 70K. Okay, now if you go back and we go to trade again and we go to multiplier and we go to trade. Here it's a little bit different, but it looks almost the same because let's search right here for something. Let's do Bitcoin to US dollars. We want to create a position, so we fill in right here with how much money. Now I want to fill in right here 100 euros. And then we click on risk management. Then we can enable the take profit. And then we want to take our profit when we make 10 bucks, something like that. So then we do save right here. And now he will take our profit when we make 10 euros. So now if I click right here on buy, you will see right here that our order is standing right there. And that he will take the profit when we make 10 euros. So this is how you can take profit on the Deriv Trader. And before this, I showed you how to do that with the MetaTrader 5. So this is how you can take profit right here on Deriv. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.